How to find ramp length from rise and run, Pythagorean Theorem example. A ramp rises 3 units vertically over 4 units horizontally. Find the length of the ramp. Solve using the Pythagorean Theorem only. When a straight ramp goes up from level ground to a higher surface, the ground and the vertical rise form a right angle. Given A equals 3, vertical rise. B equals 4, horizontal run. Ground and rise are perpendicular, 90 degrees angle between them. Find C, ramp length. Solution. To find the ramp length C, use the Pythagorean theorem. In any right triangle, the square of the hypotenuse equals the sum of the squares of the legs. A squared plus b squared equals c squared. Here the ramp is the hypotenuse C, while rise A and run B are the legs. Formula. C equals square root A squared plus b squared. Substitute. C equals square root 3 squared plus 4 squared equals square root 9 plus 16. Evaluate. C equals square root 25 equals 5. We take the positive value because length is a physical distance. Therefore, the ramp is 5 units long. Answer. The ramp length is 5 units.